Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please.
Sure.
What are you looking for?
Cell phone do you have in the black?
Do you have and the red
Yes, we do.
How much is the black one?
and the red one?
The black one is $2,000 and the red one is $2,100.
Do you offer the discount?
Is there a special price?
Yes, there is a 10% discount.
Great. I took the black one.
Perfect. I take an red one.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Cash for me.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.